As 2023 draws to a close, it's a good opportunity to look back and reflect on some of the amazing cars and people who have come through the doors at Ramsport. I continue to be amazed at the level of interest there is in these fantastic old cars. I'm delighted by the great friendships that are forged around their continued use. This year has been filled with so many high points for us that inevitably I will fail to do them all justice. However, here's just a brief insight into what we have been up to. I was lucky enough to co-drive on the Flying Scotsman Rally in a 1934 Chevrolet Fanjo. Following a light rebuild, this turned out to be a great adventure, and the car ran really well throughout.
Happy chappies?
Very, very happy. No issues. Perfect.
What a great event.
We have had a number of vintage Bentleys through the workshop this year. My favourites these are. One of which received some very last minute engine work prior to heading off on an epic journey to the Le Mans Classic, where it lined up with 70 other similar vintage Bentleys and took part in the Benjifield Le Mans Classic race. I'm delighted to say not only did it drive all the way there, performed faultlessly during the race, it then drove all the way back to the UK. Quite a feat for a car of 100 years old. None of this would be possible without the support of all the staff here, who have worked tirelessly all year. I would like to thank them for all their efforts. Behind the scenes, I've been building a little Austin 7 special for use on VSCC trials. Both of my daughters have enjoyed this little car. It's been a real pleasure to share my passion with them. We had guests from all over the world attend our summer tour. A wonderful collection of cars and an even better group of people. On behalf of the whole team at Ramsport, I would like to thank all our clients and friends for their continued support during 23. And I wish each and every one of them a Merry Christmas. Here's to a huge 24.